I needed to make some frames for my latest art pieces, so I headed to the scrap pile, clamped up some old pine, cut it out by hand on my scroll saw, ran it through the router table to add some shape and texture. Then I went ahead and burned it and scraped it just to give the wood kind of a cool woodsy effect. I did decide to put a little weathered oak stain on it to give it the grayish tone, added some cute hardware, and here it is. I think it came out pretty cute and I was finally able to put my art piece in it. There's 4 more and I can't wait to show you the rest. Bye!